let's discuss the legal rights of a woman in Islam. In legal laws, men and women are the same. If a man murders a woman, he gets the death penalty. That is the had. Similarly, if a woman murders a man, she gets a death penalty. According to laws of Qisas from Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 178 and 179. And once a Jewish man killed a woman by crushing her head with a stone. The Prophet ﷺ ordered that he should be killed in the same way. And if injury takes place to the body parts, including the eyes, ears, nose, etc., the compensation is done in the same way. And if the relatives of the victim want to accept diya, that is blood money, they can accept it. Among the relatives, it does not make a difference whether it's a man or a woman. The punishment for any crime committed by any human being, whether it be a male or a female, in Islam is the same. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 38, وَالسَّارِقُ وَالسَّارِقَةُ فَقَطَعُوا أَيْدِيَهُمَا جَزَاءً بِمَا كَسَبَا نَكَالًا مِنَ اللَّهِ. As for the thief, whether it be male or female, chop off their hands as a punishment from the Lord for their crime. Anyone caught in robbery, whether it be male or female, they have to chop off their hand as a punishment from the Lord for their crime. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 2, الزَّانِيَةُ وَالزَّانِي فَجْلِدُوا كُلَّ وَاحِدٍ مِّنْهُمَا مِئَةَ جَلَّةٍ. As male or female caught in fornication, flog each of them 100 stripes. Anyone, man or woman, caught in fornication, we have to flog each of them 100 lashes. In Islam, a woman, she can also be a witness. She can also maintain her name. In the Western world, the woman, they accept the name of the husband. But in Islam, a woman is allowed to maintain her own maiden name. Just because the legal rights of a woman in Islam are equal to that of a man, what would you say? The woman's rights in Islam, they are modernizing or they are outdated?